Are you ready to take your pumpkin game to the next level? If so, I am going to share with you a decadent, layered pumpkin bar recipe that is grain-free, vegan, and free of refined sugars too. Now, beyond flavor, you are going to love this recipe because it is a no-guilt, delicious treat, and even your not-so-health-conscious friends will adore these bars too. So let's gather our ingredients and get started. Three and a half cups almond flour, 1/2 cup organic coconut sugar, 1/2 teaspoon real salt, 1 stick organic plant-based butter, melted, 1 5.5 ounce can organic coconut cream, chilled, 3/4 cup organic canned pumpkin, 1/4 cup organic grade A dark maple syrup, 2 teaspoons organic pumpkin pie spice blend, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1/4 teaspoon real salt, 2.5 tablespoons tapioca flour, 1/2 cup organic coconut flakes, 1/2 cup organic pecan pieces, 1/2 teaspoon organic ground cinnamon. Preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. Cut a piece of parchment paper about 9 inches wide and press it into a 9x9 baking dish. Here's a helpful tip. Grease your baking dish. It will help hold the parchment paper in place. Stir together the dry ingredients for the crust. Break up any lumps. Make sure it's smooth and well combined. Add the melted plant-based butter and mix to a consistency of crumbs. Set aside 1 cup and press the rest into the bottom of the prepared baking dish. Once you have the crust pressed evenly in the bottom of the baking dish, use a fork and just poke holes all the way across. Now place it in the oven to bake for approximately 25 minutes. Whisk together the filling ingredients until smooth and creamy. Helpful tip, the filling can also be made lower in carbohydrates by using sugar alternatives such as stevia, monk fruit, or xylitol. And any nut or seed butter will work in this recipe. You can use whatever you have on hand. Make the topping by mixing the coconut flakes, pecans, and cinnamon into the reserved crust mixture until evenly distributed and in large crumbs. A great thing about this recipe is you do not need a mixer, blender, or food processor. You can use a fork and a whisk to make the entire recipe. Once the crust has finished baking, increase the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the filling evenly over the crust. You want to press about half of the crumble topping into the pumpkin mixture. Just press it down a little bit to sort of mix or combine the filling and the crumble topping. It also helps to hold it in place. And now it's ready to go back in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow the bars to cool completely on a cooling rack. For a firmer filling, transfer to the refrigerator and refrigerate until completely chilled. Cut and serve. I hope you enjoy these grain-free vegan pumpkin bars. For more healthy recipes like this, visit the recipe section of our website.